guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today, and I use my BH Cosmetics Party Girl palette. Is it? Yeah, my BH Cosmetics Party Girl After Hours. And what I used on my lips will be told to you at the end of the video. Thank you so much. I'm very sorry I wasn't able to upload on Wednesday. It was something completely out of my control, but I really hope you guys have been enjoying this March makeup madness. Thank you so much, you guys, for your support. Thank you for using the hashtag Rochester. I'm seeing it well now. I have not been checking Instagram that much, but I'm gonna check it. Right? I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna see your pictures and like them and comment and stuff. So do your thing, bubbo. Do your thing. And a huge surprise, I will be having makeup classes in Jamaica this year, November. And if you're following me on Instagram, you'd have already seen that I asked where in the US you guys want me to come to have classes, because next year I'll be doing some classes in the US, and a lot of you are commenting saying that, you know, this is where you want me to go, So if you haven't done that as yet, there's a post on my Instagram right now that I can just go and just look for the post. You'll see it. It's what, I forget what it looks like, but I'll just put up a new post so that you guys can tell me where it is that you want me to go for these classes. But definitely look out for November classes in Jamaica, and they'll be held in Kingston, Jamaica. I'm sorry my bae. I'm going to come to my bae. I'm going to, alright? I'm going to come to my bae, so just don't worry yourself. Don't worry it. So that's it for this long intro, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.
I can't sing, bro. I can't sing, bro. Worthy, confused. Give me water when me thirsty. And may God bless and God bless, and nobody can curse me. And anytime the age is sick, Jesus nurse, him nurse me. Can't cry, see man the best. Him higher than the rest. The Lord give me blessing for me the palm of me breast. And when me fall all in a mess, and me under arrest, me confess cause of heaven me want to be me address. And when me down on the breast, me fed up and me stress. Me ask the Lord for peace of mind of Jesus on me press. And if me get deep on me test, me link him and request. And the Lord give me strength like him all put his on me chest. God Father worthy. Oh God, you show me your grace and you show me your mercy. And anytime the age is sick, Father, nurse me. You give me living water anytime it's thirsty for you are. When me fall, you make me stand. Me weak, you make me strong. I've done so many wrong, it's like say me deserve it. And I know the journey climb along. You make me young along. All along, you be my inspiration for write all a song. And when me can't even grow up, you came and show me hope. Make me pick up a Bible or a mic instead of rope. And when me almost like the hope, me and them still a hope. I remember when you came and make me clean us like a soap. Father, you are worthy. And you show me your grace and you show me your mercy. Father, when me sick, me know you are nurse me. Oh, Father, give me living water when me thirsty. Can't rise him on the best, him higher than the rest. The Lord give me blessing for me, the palm of me breast. And if me fall under arrest, and me go on a stress, me confess, cause I ever me want to be me address. When me fed up and me stress, me down and me depressed, me ask the Lord for Jesus, mine of Jesus on me press. And if me get deep on me chest, me link him and request, and me give me strength, like him I put a on me chest. Jesus, you are worthy. You are show me your grace, show me your mercy. I drink from the living water anytime it's thirsty. And anytime the age is sick, Father, nurse me. When me fall, you make me stand. Me weak, you make me strong. I've done so many wrong, it's like some of this with you. I know the journey kinda long. You make me young along. All along, you be my inspiration to write all a song. And with me, you can't even quit. Show me mercy. You came and show me hope. Wash me out just like a soap. I will be honest like the Pope. The praise around me and them still a hope. nobody can test and nobody can curse me. Yeah. There's some else happening. God bless you, know. AJ life story. Hold on, let me tear out a page out of my life and show you what me gone through. Why do the Eden rage? Me have to chant Psalms too. Jesus Christ, so me need you so much and me want you. I want you. Why do the Eden hate me? All I try eliminate me. Now they looking at me eyes and forsake me, trying to break me. Only stronger that make me. I have to hold on to me Lord, although all of me gold gone. Me look around me and me have to say hold on. Where his soul gone? Now this say make him alone gone. AJ, that's my name. Let me take you to the place where I came from. In on the garbage and my aim was to be a pilot, figure fly plane. But me drop out of school and I cry shame. Me looking at the future until me eye pain. I am never gonna be what I wanted to be until the most I came. God no real used to be one of my sin. Christian man people and I sin. Until the Father teach me and I pray. And the Lord intervene and come put me upon the right lane. God me know you never busy, cause you forever with me. You give me everything what me want, what my family could never give me. Why do the Eden hate me? All I try eliminate me. God you looking on me eyes and forsake me, trying to break me. Only strong.
I am wearing three things. I'm wearing cotton candy, and this is by all Dolled Up Cosmetics. And my lip liner is, this is not my lip liner. My lip liner is It's Your Face Plum Wine. And my gloss is super sweet, and it's by ShadesByGAL. Now these three lip products are three different lip products owned by three Jamaican women. Yes, honey, yes. Sweet. So I'll leave their information down below, their Instagram links and so forth, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. I do have coupon codes for It's Your Face. No, not It's Your Face. I do have coupon codes for Grace, for what's ShadesByGAL. Oh my god, talk about pregnancy brain. But yeah, I do have coupon codes for Grace ShadesByGAL. Her name is Grace and Long, and I want to say Grace and Long, but I don't. Her company's name is ShadesByGAL. So yeah, so yes, I have coupon codes for that, so you can check that out in the description bar below. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. Don't forget to give me some thumbs up, comment, and share. Tell everybody about me. Yeah. I know you guys. Bye.
Only stronger that make me. I have to hold on to me Lord, although all of me gold gone. Me look around me and me have to say hold on. Where every soul gone. Hey, back in all the days when I was only 13, Daddy kicked me out and left me lonely. Nobody for you can console me. And me know the house big and coulda hold me. Devil try hard for control me. Set up a heap of trap and try to hold me. But family could beat and my mother told me, say pray every day, so me nearly kinda holy. Me did a plan for you, daddy forever. Me never know when woulda do that never. But I was clever, and by the grace of God me forgave mother than focus on my endeavor. Up on the streets and all the stormy weather, without a soul and all the cold without a sweater. When me think about it, it make me head hurt. But the Lord Jesus, he make it better. Why do they hate me? All I try eliminate me. Now they looking at me eyes and forsake me, trying to break me.